Dollar edges better as investors watch for Fed price pass New York. The greenback edged higher in opposition to a basket of currencies on Tuesday, to scale a clean two-decade high, as buyers braced for an aggressive fee hike from the U.S. Federal Reserve this week to try and diminish inflation. Rising expectancies that the Fed will increase hobby quotes through extra than formerly forecast unsettled buyers on Monday and sent the S&P 500 tumbling to verify a bear marketplace and intensifying fears over the monetary outlook. There is a nearly 90% expectation for a 75 basis point increase at the belief of a two-day Fed assembly on Wednesday, in step with Refinitive's FedWatch tool. It's going to be very difficult for the Fed to out-hawk markets at this point, given the extent of expectancies going into tomorrow, stated Carl Shamata, leader market strategist at enterprise payments agency Corpay. The U.S. dollar currency index, which tracks its overall performance towards 6 different major currencies, become up 0.1% at 105.27, after hiking to as high as 105.32, its most powerful because December 2002. With inflation and growth-related worries plaguing economies round the arena, the greenback has benefited from safe haven flows in current weeks and months. The U.S. greenback remains the nice of a bad bunch in FX land, said Michael Brown, head of market intelligence at Bill's company Caxton in London. Today's exchange is a pretty classic pref com, although I doubt it's going to closing, with a hawkish Fed probable to provide the required catalyst for a further leg higher for the greenback. Brown stated. With risk appetite vulnerable, the Aussie became 0.56% decrease against the dollar, while the Kiwi turned into down 0.54%. Against the yen, the greenback become about flat at 134.56 yen. The Japanese currency's weakness, it fell to its lowest stage considering the fact that 1998 in opposition to the dollar on Monday has brought about feedback by means of Japan's pinnacle government spokesperson that Tokyo is worried approximately its sharp fall and stands geared up to reply accurately, if needed. Japanese officials try and jawbone the forex are bearing fruit, Corpay's Shamata stated. Sterling fell 0.86% to $1.203, its lowest stage on the grounds that March 2020, after Scotland's First Minister Nicola Sturgeon said she was set to share info on plans for a brand new independence referendum. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson and his Conservative Party, which is in opposition in Scotland, strongly oppose a referendum. Bitcoin slipped to a new 18-month low, as most important crypto lender Celsius Network's freezing of withdrawals and the possibility of sharp U.S. interest charge rises shook the volatile asset magnificence. Bitcoin became final down 4.5% at $22,163.83.